Hi there! This is probably going to be my shortest unboxing ever. In fact, it might end up being a short. But I got the Anna Griffin, this is from Home Shopping Network, the Anna Griffin Summer House cardstock and embellishments. They just looked so awesome. They're like nautical theme and just so beautiful. So let's go ahead and look at these. And like I said, it's going to be a pretty quick, short unboxing. Wrapped very lovely. I just love her embellishments. Okay. And I'm more of a mini album maker and scrapbooker than I am card maker. So a lot of times, you know, that I love all the Anna Griffin stuff, and I have used some of her card making items actually in mini albums, and it still works out. Let's see what we got here, and I'll try to get the glare from the plastic not to interfere too much. Ooh, borders. So lovely. Summer House cardstock and embellishments. So you get 32 12 by 12 cardstock sheets, 150 embellishment stickers, and 20 die cut titles, 16 border stickers. Oh, that's so pretty. Soft blue, very soft blue. Seashells. Try to hold it so you can see well. Oh, and a really nice blue. It's not really a gradient blue, but it's a textured looking blue. Almost lacy. It looks like we've got the technical names for these seashells. And my phone is going crazy. I just got back from a trip. This was waiting for me when I got home. So I got 4 of these in the same bag. Oh, isn't that pretty? Gorgeous pattern. Let's take this. Oh, it seems to be stuck. Why does that seem to be stuck? Okay. Back at it. So we've got this beautiful, almost like damask, I guess, looking. Ooh, pretty. This almost looks like basket weave. Beautiful. 4 of these, I assume. Yep, 4 of those. And then we've got some florals and leaves. Oh, same kind of weave on this one in brown. 4 of those. And then, ooh, okay, I love this. We've got our anchor. Isn't that pretty? And then this almost looks like denim, or definitely looks like a textured, even though it's not, it looks textured. That is so pretty. Okay, another nice blue. It almost looks lacy, the way the pattern is. Oh, that's pretty. So pretty. Four of those. Oh, and then we have that in the tan, beige tan. Okay, there we go. Sorry about my phone, my goodness. Like I said, I just got back. Everybody wants a piece of me now that I'm back. So we got 4 of those. Oh, beautiful. Nice tan stripe. And that same kind of textured looking on the back. Oh, we still got another color. Yeah, I guess 4 does go into 32, what, 8 times? So, oh, isn't that pretty? This almost looks like a blue burlap. And then with these flowers, I'm not good at flowers. Someone out there knows what these are. Let me hold it up closer. Probably should have been holding all these up close, but I'll zoom in when I edit. Someone pretty knows what those flowers are. You can tell me. Oh, I like that pattern. I really like that pattern. So that's all our paper. It comes in this nice, I can use this. That's going to be good for mini albums. Let's look at our stickers. Lovely. We just have, looks like we have 2 different types. Yeah. Just those 2 different types. Ooh. Pretty. And that one's got the gold on it. Pretty. We got these babies. Good, and they're flat. Like some of hers, you know, the layered ones that are thick, sometimes I can't use them in my mini albums. But yeah, these I certainly can. So we've got some flowers, some bouquets. We've got a, you know, this would be on your patio. Little, looks like a wicker love seat. More flowers. Oh, of course, we've got our wicker chair to go with our wicker love seat. Oh, those are pretty. Again, those of you who know flowers, go ahead and put in there what they are. She always has these flourishes. I do like those. These are, they're still, I mean, they're great for card making, but you can also use them in mini albums and other little projects. Maybe I'm not holding them long enough. I'm sorry. Got our pretty flowers. We've got seashells. We can go back to our first page and learn what that seashell is. Then we have our compass for navigation. More flourishes, just different sizes. How much could we do with that? Lots. Oh, pretty shell. Real pretty shell. Ooh, that's my favorite kind of shell, like an oyster shell. So pretty. I guess that's a conch shell, probably. More compasses. Star. Little starfish. I actually, my husband, late husband and I, we spent a good bit of time in St. Augustine, Florida. And I hope this stupid thing isn't zooming in now. Anyway, we spent 3 solid months in St. Augustine, Florida. Loved it. And I found I walked on the beach every morning, and I found a starfish had washed up and was deceased, and I took it home to dry it out, and that thing smelled so bad. I thought I'm going to do some kind of craft with it, but I sat it out on our table outside and until it dried, and oh, it smelled so bad I could not do anything with it. I was like, no, I'm not doing a craft with that. Some other pretty flowers. Oh, we got us a sailboat. Beautiful sailboat. Okay. And then we've got ones with more color. I just drove 6 hours. I was in Maryland for a while. I've got a big craft fair this coming Saturday, so I was anxious to get home and get back into getting ready for that. I'm going to do a video, craft fair series of videos. Oh, we got our crab. I was just in Maryland. Maryland is known for its crabs. And if you want the perfect crab cake, go to Maryland. Specifically Linthicum, Maryland, near BWI Airport. It is like the best. Look at this sailboat's cute. Full of crab meat. Pretty. Those of you who are flower people, you can educate me on what these are. My mom and dad had a green thumb, but not me. They did not pass that on to me. I prefer indoor activities. I'm not much of an outdoor doing things. Of course, you could garden indoors, but it just never interested me. Got our anchor. Another anchor. More flowers. And there, as you can see, there's several of each. Seashell. More flowers. More flowers. Seashells. Flowers. More boats. I love sailboats. Aren't they pretty? Just make a little scene. Okay, and then we got one more package to open. These would be for our cards. But you could put it on a mini album too, right? If you're giving it as a gift. Sometimes I make like folios, like just some small folios, and you could make it a card. Thinking of you, sending you sunshine, birthday wishes for my dear friend. Looks like I get 3 of each. Celebrate. Or do I get 4? Nope, we get 4 of each. 4 of each. Our story. No, we don't. Okay. 2. Our story. Grateful. My sincere thanks. Cherished moments. And warmest wishes. Beautiful. So, you get all of this with that bundle. Yeah. And these are nice. You can, you know, make folios and mini albums out of this. Thanks for watching.